Hi everyone, welcome back to SloJo TV. I call it that now. My name is Zinhle. I'm brand ambassador for SloJo Designer Drinks Company, and today we'll be making a white chocolate mocha. To make this, you need really simple ingredients. You just need your SloJo White Symphony powder. Over here, I usually decant it into a bucket, so that it's easier for me. I'm gonna need my espresso shot, milk, hot milk. You can microwave it, you can steam it, you can froth it, whatever's easier for you, you do it the best way for yourself. And then coffee beans are for garnish. We've got whipped cream and our latte glass or any other mug that you have at home. It's okay. So to make this drink, I'm gonna measure out our white symphony powder. So we're gonna use a red scoop. This is 25 grams. So at home, if you don't have a red scoop, you can use 5 teaspoons. Or if you want a red scoop, when you place your order, ask for scoops. So let's put that in our cup. All right, then we're gonna top up with our hot milk. So because it's a mocha, you're gonna leave a little space for our espresso shot. So I know you're wondering that I don't have an espresso machine. Where am I gonna get an espresso? Whatever coffee that you have at home, whatever coffee you drink, use that. It's always gonna give you the best taste profile because you're already used to it, right? So because I'm very bougie like that, I'm gonna give it a nice layer. You know how when you order a mocha at your local favorite restaurant, it's always layered, right? So I'm gonna show you my way of doing it. So you're wondering, how am I gonna get this layer of froth? Because I use the microwave. If you have a blender, you can just blend your microwave milk. It will give you those bubbles. If you don't have that, you know what? A trick that I use, your whipped cream, you spray a bit in your cup and then you just layer it flat like I did with my foam. And then we're gonna pour in our shot of espresso. See, I use my tablespoon so that it helps me pour in nicely. Just like that. Oh wow, look at that. If it doesn't layer, it's okay, just stir it in. You'll still get the same flavor. Yum, yum, yum. Wow, love it. This is obviously optional. You can always either, if you don't have whipped cream, you're gonna top it up like this with your foam. And if, like me, you have whipped cream, yay, for some goodness on top. And we're gonna garnish with some coffee beans. If you don't have coffee beans because you're using instant coffee, that coffee powder, those granules, you just sprinkle them on top. And then here's your white chocolate mocha. So for orders, you can always order at slojo.co.za, or you can visit our Ciro Coffee Boutique at www.cirocoffeeboutique.co.za, or even Takealot. If you're a Takealot person, go to www.takealot.com or just follow the link below. Bye.